everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? I have a special treat for you all. This is a mysterious package. I got this. I thought it would be a little bigger, but I got this off the Chloe. I got this off the Etsy, so it's a mysterious witchy mystery box or bag, whatever you want to call it. So I got this, and we can open it up together. All right, everyone. Now, let's open this up. And welcome back, my kitty cat ladies, the crazy cat family. And I have a little girl here. She wants to open it up for Mama. So let's open this up. It's a small one, but we can still have fun with it. So, oh God, they really package this up. Chloe, now she has it on the floor. I thought maybe I can open this without, all right, maybe I can do it. Okay, I think I got it. All right, so, whew, they really got this. Oh, look at how cute. All wrapped up in newspaper. So I guess the $10 pack, the $10 one is the small one, but let's see what's in it. See, that's why I like the mystery ones. Okay, so what is this? All right, this is a ladder. How to make a witch's ladder. That's what it looks like. And it's like, look like little rope. All right. Okay, it says, by knot of one, the spell is begun. By knot of two, the magic comes true. By knot of three, so it shall be. By knot of four, this power is stored. By knot of five, my will shall drive. By knot of six, the spell is fixed. By knot of seven, the future I heaven. By knot of eight, my will be fate. By knot of nine, what is done is mine. So, I don't know. Hopefully they have directions in it. Okay, and then, what is this? Crystal! I love crystals. Okay, so what kind of crystals are these? Oh, look it! They have a crystal right here. I gotta find out what kind they are. Agonite is one of the oldest healing stones. As a stone of strength, it was used in ancient civilizations to bring warriors strength and make them vigorous in battle, though victorious in battle. It is also a very strong protection stone. Ooh, I always need these when I go do my ghost hunting. That's cool. And then this one is really, really, oh, I love this. Too bad it wasn't like a pendant. It's a clear one that looks really interesting. Love that. I'll take this one out to show you more close. So the mystery box is Witch's Ladder, clear quartz. Well, this is clear quartz. An Agonite necklace. $12 worth of items. Thank you. So the Witch's Ladder is $2. The clear quartz is $2, and this is $8. I guess they even wrote down what they are. So, oh, I want to show that. I want to take that out, Noah. So this is what I need, because when I go out to like any haunted places, which I will eventually. I went to one, I went to the graveyard, I went to 2 graveyards on my YouTube channel so far, but I definitely want to do a little more investigating. So this is really cool. Tell me what you think. I know it's a small one, and I can always get bigger ones, but so far I'm really pleased. See how cute that is? That's Agonite. So this is a really, really good protection stone. Strong protection stone. So I like it. I think it's really cute. I love crystals. I love crystals. This is like a little spell. I guess, how to make a witch's ladder. By one knot of the spells begun. So I'm going to have to look in a little more detail on the rules of this. But it's, I guess, a little spell. Witch's ladder. So I'm going to check that out a little in detail. But this is cute. So Noah's interested in that. And of course, I'll keep my clear. I love these. Love, love, love my crystals. So that's cute. So I'm very pleased. Tell me what you thought about this. This is a small one. I got the small one. I didn't know what to expect on what small meant, because small on the Halloween box was a box, but apparently I guess small on these mystery packs at this particular person means small. So I'm gonna definitely, I think, try her out again with, you know, a bigger box, because they have like $20 boxes and so forth and so on. But I really love like anything to do with crystals and stuff. So really cute. I'm really pleased. Definitely. And I'm gonna keep this too, to know what the Agonite stands for. Am I doing it backwards? Okay, here. To show you if you want to read it. So really cute. I love everything so far. And tell me in the comments below if you like these mystery boxes. And I'm kind of I browse the SD page, you know, for different things. And I really do like spell witchy type of things, because I always got into that type. I like the paranormal. I like that type of stuff. And so I really dive into this. I really like this a lot. And it's just fun. And I just, in your cart. Silver Moon Coven. This is from her. Silver Moon Coven. I don't know if you can read that. So she's great. I mean, this is awesome. I really, really love these. So tell me what you want to see on an unboxing. Do you want me to get like it? I was born, grew up in the 80s. Did you want me to like go on and get an 80s box maybe? Since I wasn't, or whatever you, like 90s is fine. But I was in my 20s in the 90s. So definitely tell me what box are you interested in. And like always, thank you so much for supporting my channel and being there for me. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit that like button. And I love you all, and see you on the next one. Love you.